It starts with a shoe and an idea to take that shoe and use it to create something entirely new, to take waste and not waste it, to do more with less. What began as a grassroots initiative in the early 90s to repurpose shoes headed for landfills is now a global sustainability program called Nike Grind, and part of Nike's overall vision for circularity and a zero-waste future. So, what is Nike Grind exactly? Nike Grind is a collection of recycled materials that find new life in other products. It comes from three main sources: post-industrial materials like Nike manufacturing scrap and unused materials, pre-consumer products like defective shoes and sample shoes that have never been worn but aren't fit for sale or donation, and worn post-consumer shoes that just can't take another mile. These are collected and processed into new usable materials that we call Nike Grind. These include rubber, PU foam, EVA foam, leather, thermoplastics, and textiles. Both Nike and other companies use these Nike Grind materials to make new products, from components of your favorite Nike sneakers to retail spaces, turf fields, sport courts, gym flooring, and furniture. Nike Grind materials have become a part of renowned surfaces worldwide, like Olympic and Paralympic training facilities, football fields at NCAA schools, and NBA basketball courts. Over the past 25 years and counting, over 130 million pounds of Nike Grind have been recycled into partners' products. In fact, surfaces made with Nike Grind installed around the world total over 1 billion square feet. That's enough to cover Manhattan twice. And it goes so much further than sports surfaces. It's in Nike footwear and retail store designs. It's in partner products like furniture, flooring, carpet padding, and so many others. So you see, it started with a shoe and a vision to turn waste into new possibilities. It lives on as Nike Grind.